This episode kicks off a fresh zero waste challenge centered on repairing everyday tech to curb electronic waste and extend gadget lifespans. The host family starts by diagnosing a broken charger, negotiating safe repairs, and choosing repair kits over disposable replacements. They share step-by-step fixes, from simple cable titty-ups to receding batteries, plus tips for sourcing affordable parts. A setback arrives when a repair fails, teaching patience, safety checks, and how to recycle the broken components responsibly. By the end, small fixes spark big environmental impact, inspiring viewers to choose repair over replace and share their successes.